and welcome to the Financial Room. I'm your host once again, Natasha Bridgmohan, President of the Bridge Group of Companies and your local mortgage broker with Monarch Mortgage. Well, happy spring. We're in the middle of spring and I hope you have started the spring cleaning around your home and figured out what is required for any expenses that need to take place to get your home all ready for the summer. And of course, hope you started spring cleaning that debt. If you are in financial debt and you are looking to consolidate high credit card interest rates, high loans, or a high monthly car payment, or you just finished filing your taxes and realize that you owe the big man some taxes, well, here's a great opportunity for you to look at your mortgage situation. And if you have substantial equity in your home, it's an opportunity for you to call us so we can educate you how to reduce your cost of borrowing and increase your cash flow. So if you have outside debt that is really hard to manage, and you need some money to repair some capital expenditures around your home, such as replacing windows or roof or updating a kitchen or a bathroom, well, here's the time for you to pick up the phone and call us. We have great low mortgage rates and amazing lenders on standby to help you with some great financial decisions. Spring is the time for you to get everything all organized, get everything all cleaned, make some really great financial healthy decisions to help you with managing your debt and put your life on track for a great financial start. And if you are able to increase your cash flow and minimize your debt load, then what are you going to be doing with that extra money? Well, great news. You can invest it in TFSAs, you can invest it in RRSPs, or put in some money towards your kids' RESPs for their future education. It's a great opportunity for you to reflect on what you can do now. Don't let high penalties wear you or steer you off from making a really good financial decision. Even low interest rates can be beneficial to help you eliminate your debt and become mortgage free faster. If you have a high penalty, let's say about $8,000, if you do the math compared to the high interest rates that you will carry over the year, it may be feasible for you to break that mortgage and absorb that $8,000. That can be paid into the new mortgage. There are low mortgage rates available. There are amazing lenders with amazing products on standby, ready to help you financially clean out your debt. So pick up the phone and call us. We are here for you. Save the date for Saturday, June the 15th is the Bridge Group Company's annual picnic. Bring out your family, your friends. Great time to network and learn about everything that we do. And of course, have fun with your family. Great fun and games for your children. Saturday, June the 15th. For further information about this topic, you can always call us at 1-866-553-7467. That's 1-866-553-7467. Remember, to help clean out your debt, there's a lot of things that you can do. Start making that list. Check off what it is that you would like to save on and where your expenses are. That's very, very important for you to realize by planning a budget, because if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So the first thing that you need to do is look at all of your bills, put them on the kitchen table, spread it around, and start writing down the monthly obligation of all of your expenses, and then write your income that's coming in. If you are in a deficit, that is a red light warning that you are in trouble and that you need help. Pick up the phone. If you are in a surplus and you think that might be enough, that could be also untrue. So let's talk about getting your life back on track by spring cleaning that debt. So that's very important. Organize your debt, put it all together, and we're going to be right here waiting to help you make those decisions, because consolidating high debt into low cost of borrowing debt will definitely steer you into the right course for financial planning and successful mortgage-free debt in a faster period than a longer period. We are here for you. 1-866-553-7467, my friends. That's 1-866-553-7467. Call us and learn how to become debt-free.